Hey, 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 Caddyman back with another summertime great. Roasted kielbasa and vegetables. Yes, this is one of our summertime favorites. We have made this for our kids for the last, let me add up how many years, say 30 plus years. That's all I'm going to say because I don't want to say how old they are or how old I am. Okay, got all my ingredients here. I'm going to start out and I'm going to spray, and I know this isn't environmentally friendly, but what the heck. It's easy on cleanup, then you just pitch it. Okay, we have our cabbage here, 1 pound. Doesn't that look like, kind of looks like confetti, doesn't it? You just dump it in there, you know. Now, this is going to look very full in here, but cabbage, as a lot of people know, does cook down. Okay, I've got 1 pound of potatoes, okay? Mix those around here. And as you notice, I spill things. Yes, I do. That's what makes it fun. See these carrots? We bought these for Oliver, our dog. He won't eat them. So you know that's a good thing? You can put them in here. You could put in broccoli. You could put in cauliflower, whatever you like. Okay. Kielbasa! And we buy the best we can. We buy turkey kielbasa because we don't want the extra calories and it doesn't hurt our tummies. So, 1 pound of this. And you just mix it around, put it in, get it all over so you get a good bite of it on every level. Okay? Then, on top, so it cooks down in, 1 pound of onions. Yeah. And I hope I don't start crying because onions do affect me because I'm just that kind of guy. Here we go. Onions. Now, we have our favorite seasoning here, Mike's. If you've ever been down to Mount Vernon to their apple butter days, they sell this there, and this stuff is the greatest thing there is for seasoning. And you notice you can just put as much on there as you want. Have to add a little garlic powder. I love money! And we do put some soy sauce. Now this one is all purpose. Natural. No, it's gluten-free. Put this in here. Look at that. Yummy, yummy, yummy. This is going to be great in my tummy. Okay. Now, you put foil over the top of it. Like I always say. Oh, you know what I forgot? Love, 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 love. There you go. How can I forget love? Cover the top of it. Just like that. And you're ready to go. Cook 30 to 45 minutes on the grill, or 45 minutes at 350 in the oven. This is a summertime great. We cook it all the time because we can throw it on and be ready to eat in about 30, 45 minutes and do a little pull action, have a little happy hour. See you soon. Bye now.